It all started from a small room with 2 chairs. Then it expanded. Again, again and again. Now with the growth, the spaces becomes tight, which cause lots of fight. It becomes hard when the development center has constant disturbance, and because of which, we need further space assistance. Just a common problem which is faced in every growing startup. But we cheer it up because after all it's a hidden sign of success. With unstoppable growth, we are ready to make new memories in the new space. Hi Muskan, we are in our new office right now. So, do you like the office and what is the thing which you like the most?
Yeah, we are in a new office, and the favorite thing about this office is that I have gotten an entire cabin meeting room to myself, and I can make calls here, I can take interviews, I can do meetings here, and it's my entire personal space. So I really like that.
So I think in the new office I have two favorite spots. The first one definitely has to be my cubicle. It's my corner, it's super cozy, and I get to be in my own space, work efficiently, and even sometimes have good discussions with my team. And my second favorite place has to be the meeting room. It's quite sufficient to have bigger meetings and even smaller ones. Especially as a project manager, I have to consecutively take meetings with different project teams, so that's very useful.
I think this new office gives us opportunity to rise to new heights, to new horizons. And I think that particularly this is not a place for just a bigger office space, but a place for bigger minds as well. I further see that now that we are expanding, the thought may be too dauntless, but I think I can grow. I will and I must. So yeah, that's what I feel about it. I'm very excited for it.